This is Samsung Galaxy XCover, and in this video I will show how you can insert a SIM card and SD card into this device. To start, at the back panel, locate this little hinge and use it to take the back panel off, just like so. Now you will need to also take off the battery of your phone in order to access the SIM card slot, so do that as well. Now, in order to put the SIM card in, align it like that and just slot it under this little plate you see, just under it. Now the SD or memory card goes on top of this plate, so position it like so and then slot it all the way in. Now we can mount the camera back, close the back panel and safely power on the phone. So let's switch it on and see whether both SIM and SD cards have been recognized by the system or not. So in the beginning, let's launch the cellular settings and check whether SIM card has been installed successfully. So connections, SIM manager. So yeah, here is my SIM card, all recognized and working fine. Let's also check whether an SD card, has been recognized. Let's see. So we'll need to go into the device care category, storage, and swipe this storage section to the left. SD card is also recognized. So yeah, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.